So this is the map of Dubai, and if you look at the land parcels which are available at the moment is mainly on the 611 road. All of the land parcel which is freehold for villas and townhouses are already sold out. They've already launched back in 2020 to 2024, 2025. So what is available at the moment is what we are looking is here. And we have new launches coming from big developers, tier one developers in this area. Or if you want to be closer to Sheikh Zayed Road, then we have launches coming up here in this area, which will be priced on a higher price point. So now when I talk about lowest price per square feet, we are looking at 1300 dirhams only. 1300 dirhams for a townhouse, which is placed 25 minutes away from downtown, and to Al Maktoum Airport, it's another 10 minutes drive. Hello, all, welcome to another episode of the Buy Townhouse Hunt. Why townhouses as an investment is what I'm going to discuss in this video, and this video is going to be specifically for investors. We are going to discuss a community which is priced at the lowest at the moment, and if you're looking for investment, this is the one you should go for. So this is Tamak Islands 2, giving us a great connectivity to 611 Road, a community, a waterfront destination of the future where townhouses and villas will be the only mix which this community is offering. The community is spread across 20 million square feet, offering us multiple activities and amenities area which you have never seen before. What makes this project a little interesting now is the price per square feet. We have seen launches around the community which is between 1500 to 1900 dirham per square feet, and we're expecting few launches in the quarter 4 which is going to be roughly around 1800 to 2000 dirham per square feet. So this is the right time at the moment to consider. Here, as owning a townhouse, you're not just owning a house, but you're also owning a land parcel underneath. The community is inspired by waterfront paradise of the world, coming with 8 clusters. Now, this community was launched a while ago, but we still have units available, and it is very interesting as of now to consider this as an investment. Since we are in the summers and the developer is offering exciting payment plans with GLD waivers and some discounts, this makes the project more interesting for an investor. Right now, we have 4 bedrooms available, which would be on the inner circle, which is 4-bedroom middle unit with a built-up area of 2,200 square feet, and we have 5-bedroom units which will be the corner units, which will come with a built-up area of 3,170 square feet. So this is the facade for 5-bedroom corner units. We have 5-bedroom middle and 4-bedroom middle units. What developer is doing here is very interesting. He's trying to cater to those end users who have a desire to buy a townhouse. Since townhouse comes with a low maintenance cost, what we have seen, even with a 4-bedroom without a mates, it's been absorbed very well at the time of handover, which we have seen in the Damak Lagoons. So today, as an investor, you have a chance to hop onto this as an off plan, buy it at a low price, and easily you can liquidate a 4-bedroom unit for 4 million to 4.2 million. We had few semi-detached villas on the edge of the water, but as of now, there's nothing available in the inventory. Maybe some cancellation units might come through. So if you are interested to discuss this project, which I feel can make you a good return on investment in the future, then do contact me. My contact details are in the description below.